Alright, fired another glaze kiln here with a bunch of bonsai pots in it, some of my biggest pots ever. We're going to unload it now. Let's take a look. Look at that, we're just a little bit buddy, so this is light. They're still kind of hot, so I'm going to wear gloves. Whoa, look at that one. I think that's the birch glaze. Turned out pretty radical. What do you think, dude? Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Look that out in the light in a minute. Get it back. Get the shelf off and see if anything else on it. This one I refired. Looks like it still sucks. So I'm gonna have to refire it again. Yeah, that one's stuck. That one looks like it still sucks. Oh well. We'll get it out. Looks like somebody puked on it. It looks like that sawdust they used to put on puke in the cafeteria when I was a kid.
They still do that.
Yeah, isn't that what it looks like?
Yeah.
Huh.
That's unique.
It is unique. Maybe I'll just let it sit outside and get rained on for a month. Maybe I'll change it. Weak sauce. Let's get this bad boy out. Turned out so shiny. That was supposed to be a matte glaze. Oh well. It is shiny.
You should not be complaining though. It's awesome.
No, I didn't want it to be shiny. So let it sit outside. So shiny. Turned out pretty good though.
Mm-hmm.
I think that is birch and chai matte. Those are the colors, I believe. This one, the legs all broke off of it last time I fired it and I had to reattach them.
Looks like that one's about to break off.
It's not. That glaze came out kind of cool. Whatever it is. I don't remember what it is. That's why I write them all down. Huh. This will be a pot I keep with legs like that. I'm not going to sell it to anybody or even give it to anybody. There's not a lot of pots in this firing because it was so many big ones. Boy, I redid this one. I got the same effect. It's not melting. I don't think that the magma is melting good enough. Yeah. Yeah. It's a cool pot.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that.
Is this number 5?
Yeah, it's the 5th pot I ever made.
Oh.
Is it hot?
Oh, yeah.
It's a cool pot. I just don't understand why the magma isn't magmaing.
Isn't it supposed to be like
that everywhere.
Oh. At least got some sort of magma.
Yeah. I don't think it's good. This one I like. The chai matte has been a disappointing glaze, to say the least. I guess it's alright.
Isn't that a pot that you really, really liked?
Mm-hmm. That's an alright glaze. It's plain Jane. It's supposed to be plain. It's a bonsai pot. The sun is shining on it nice right now.
Mm-hmm.
Just came out of the clouds. Perfect. Set that right there. This one I'm excited to see. Oh yes. Look at that one, dude. That one turned out cool. What do you think?
I like it.
I like those colors. It's frosted lemon and green tea. Sounds good too. Oh, this is a pot I just refired. Oh. Let's work on that one. Looks kind of cool. It's a weird glaze. That glaze does not fire well. It's not on. Hope that pot stayed alive. So I didn't bisque fire this big pot. I fired, just went straight from green into the glaze firing because I didn't glaze it. Here's yours, refired yours, reglazed it, turned out pretty cool. Probably hot, buddy. That's the reason I'm wearing fireproof gloves. Turned out pretty neat though.
Mm-hmm. I think I burned my hand.
Well, you shouldn't have done that. I
didn't
refired this one. Oh, that turned out much better.
What was this
I
one?
put another layer of blue on it. It was one of the first ones I did. They had that weird, like, metallic. I like this much better.
I liked the metallic.
I didn't. It looks much better like this. Look at that. Tell me that isn't cool.
Looks a lot better.
Now let's...
Put that back on.
For the one experiment. This is one of my best pots.
Let's hope it doesn't fall apart.
Oh, that pot is beautiful.
Did you put any glaze on it?
No glaze. That clay is beautiful. Oh, the leg is coming off. Maybe not. Maybe it just raised up a little. Look at that beauty. Come on, son. Come back out. It bubbled in that spot. Not bad for straight to green wire. It's a little warping. I probably won't go straight to set down and see if it's flat. It warped a little bit. Pretty flat. Nice. Looks good out here in the sun though. That clay looks nice, man. Owls.
Yeah.
You can see the little bit of warping right there.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of warped up a little bit. But it came out pretty good. My first unglazed pot. Got a bulge in it. Look at that. No, I just meant you. You don't have to look at it with the camera so close, but it ain't gonna zoom. It ain't gonna...
I know, I want to get the bulge. It's pretty nice.
That's a good pot, dude. I'm excited about that one.
What tree are you going to put in that one?
Don't know. I'm really disappointed in this one. That spot right there, anyways.